A clean pellet stove runs better, heats more efficiently, and lasts longer. If you own a Harman, a regular cleaning is one of the most important things you can do to keep it performing safely all winter. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step cleaning process, share important do's and don'ts, and show you how a few minutes of maintenance can save you from poor heat output and costly repairs. So let's get started. And welcome to the MG Factor. Some of the tools that you will need is an ash vacuum, soft brush or paint brush, flat scraper, soft towel or paper towel, gloves and flashlight. Now let's look at some do's and don'ts for cleaning the glass. Clean the glass once or twice weekly during heavy use. Use soft cloth or paper towels. Use ash from premium pallets for best results. Keep gaskets dry and intact. Do not clean glass when they are hot. Don't use ammonia-based cleaners. Don't use razor blades or steel wool. Don't spray cleaner directly on the hot surface, and don't soak the door or the gaskets. So the first step in the process is to power off and let it cool down. So turn off the stove and unplug it. Allow it to cool for completely, at least for 30 to 45 minutes. Cleaning the burn pot. Remove the burn pot, scrape off carbon buildup, ensure all air holes are clear. This is critical for a proper ignition. Brush down the wall and heat exchanger area. Vacuum loose ash from the firebox, floor and the corner. And then once it's cooled down, there is an air intake at the bottom which need to be opened up. Remove the plate and then clean. Empty the ash pan. Remove the ash pan carefully. Dispose of ashes in a metal container. Reinstall the ash pan securely. Clean heat exchanger tubes. Pull the heat exchanger cleaning rod several times. Vacuum the loose ash. Now let's look at some do's and don'ts. So clean the burn pot at least weekly during heavy use. Use high quality pellets to reduce ash buildup. Always use an ash rated vacuum. Store ashes in a metal container and schedule an annual professional cleaning. Now what should you avoid doing? So never clean a hot stove. Don't use a regular household vacuum. Don't block air holes in the burn pot. Don't ignore gasket wear and don't let ash build up past recommended level. Check the gaskets. Inspect door and ash pan gaskets for wear or any leaks. Replace if compressed or damaged. Now let's look at the glass cleaning process. So make sure the stove is cool. Turn the stove off and unplug it. Let the glass cool completely before touching it. Dry wipe first. Use a dry paper towel or a microfiber cloth. Light ash will often come off without any cleaner. Damp ash method. Slightly dampen the paper towel, dip it into fine ash from the burn pot. Gently wipe the glass in circular motion. This acts as a mild abrasive and works extremely well. Wipe clean. Use a clean damp towel to remove residue. Finish with a dry towel for a stick-free finish. For heavy buildup, use a Pellet stove approved glass cleaner. Spray onto the towel, not directly on the glass. Wipe gently, no scrubbing hard. And that's how you clean your Harman Pellet stove, running clean, safe and efficient all season long. Regular maintenance makes a big difference in heat output and reliability. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for home maintenance tips and drop a comment if you have any question. Stay warm and I will see you in the next video.